Hi, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. You picked yourself a fine truck. This is the 2017, the GMC Canyon, of course. Stock number is 7270. This is an imperfect video walk around, which allows you to see this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition. Absolutely flawless down the driver's side, making our way around to the rear. You're going to find this truck is absolutely impeccable. No dings, no dents. Going to make our way around. If you're traveling with company, maybe hunting or just taking a trip, you're going to have ample legroom here in the rear. Interior is in impeccable condition. No rips, no tears, no stains. And of course, no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. Leather, power windows, cruise, tilt, fully loaded. Don't forget about warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. For more information, either call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and get ready to save right here at Sunset Ford. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.